Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the speaker on your phone, Samsung Galaxy A22 5G. To clean the speaker, you're going to need a slightly stiffer brush, something that's quite a bit firmer, so that the bristles are just a bit harder. Or a slightly longer brush, but softer so that we don't damage anything. You will need a specialized brush with firm, significantly longer bristles, and in addition to that, you should use high-quality ethyl alcohol. Make sure it is 99% pure so that it evaporates completely and quickly immediately after the cleaning process is finished. And if you don't have that, you can use spirits as long as it has over 90%. The alcohol content is high and the liquid is entirely pure and colorless. So the very first step we need to take in this process is to begin our evaluation. Just sprinkle some alcohol onto the brush. Or if you prefer, you can just dip it in alcohol, it doesn't matter. Here's the speaker. And we gently wipe the speaker here with the firmer brush. First, just to gently moisten the speaker, so that all the dirt comes out of the speaker here. Once it's gently moistened, we take a slightly softer brush after using the firmer one. If you don't have brushes like these, you'll find a link under the video to buy them, or you can just use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's either soft or has a medium firm head. It works just as well for this purpose. So once we have the brush ready, we begin to clean the speaker by brushing it very steadily in one single direction, carefully wiping across the entire surface of the speaker. When you finally reach the end, simply switch over to the other direction. And then you should do the exact same thing from start to finish, brushing the speaker steadily and thoroughly to ensure it is completely clean. Then we can go over it again with a bigger, firmer brush. To get all that dirt out, so that all the grime comes out of the speaker. These are simply residues from foundation used by women, or various creams and other products that are applied to the skin, and since we constantly press the phone to our skin during calls, all of that just stays inside the speaker. We clean it gently. We need to spend a few minutes on this. Nothing can be cleaned in just a second. We meticulously scrape the residue out. Then we can carefully reapply a small amount of alcohol to the specific area of the component once again. Once more, and go over it again from the beginning. Then the speaker will definitely be thoroughly cleaned and will work like new. Of course, we perform the entire operation with the phone turned off, because we wouldn't want anything to get damaged. First, we turn off the phone, do the cleaning, and only after we finish cleaning and everything has dried do we turn the phone back on. Alcohol evaporates in about 10 minutes, so the phone needs to stay off for that long after cleaning, so that it is fully cleaned and can function normally. Here I have a stiffer brush, maybe I'll use the stronger one myself. I'll show you with a regular normal toothbrush, it works the same way. From one end to the other, use a steady motion. And then do the same on the other side. From start to finish, a steady motion until you go all the way through. At the end, you can use some cleaning fluid, glass cleaner, put a few drops on the phone, and wipe it normally with paper. With a paper towel. This is done so that you have a completely clean and pristine phone, ensuring that any leftover foundation or skin cream, whether it's from women or men, comes entirely off the phone, and doesn't stay anywhere near the speaker area, so it doesn't start to build up again quite so quickly in the future. and now we have a perfectly clean, fully functioning phone. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.